everyone, welcome back. You might have got the idea that this is a different video. Actually, I wasn't sure whether or not to make this video, but then I was waiting to purchase a laptop for a long time. Then I thought, why not? For almost a week, I have searched the video, then at the end, I got the best laptop for my use. So let's start with the unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I ordered this laptop on Flipkart. There was another package around, but I removed it. On one side of this package you can see the MRP and the packing date, but as you can see it is 70,000, but I got this laptop for 54,000. On the another side of this package there is details of the configuration. Let's start the unboxing. This HP Pavilion 15 EC Ryzen 5 quad-core laptop comes with a charger and an AC adapter. The charging time is said to be around 45 minutes. It charges up to 100% within 45 minutes, and this is 135 watt AC adapter. The battery life is said to be around 5 hours. This comes with a good packaging so that there is no physical damage to the product. It comes with a manual with all the parts and how to start the laptop. It has 4 foam pads to protect the laptop from all the direction to any damage. Let's remove it. This HP gaming laptop has beautiful matte finish with a HP logo which comes in ultraviolet color, which makes it quirky and different from all the other laptops. There is Pavilion written at the back lid at the back side. This laptop comes with 2 fans. It has a very good cooling system with a large and a big ventilation gap. It is very best for all the laptops because it compensates if there is any heating. There is another air out ventilation which lets the air out. It is not able seen. We have to open the lid completely. Yeah, this is how they are. The air comes in through the back and comes out through these ports. This is how it looks at the front. It has a different look than all the normal laptops. The ports I'll mention. This has a different and a beautiful ultraviolet backlit keyboard which has 3 gradations. This HP laptop comes with an AMD Ryzen 5 3550H quad-core processor. It has a base clock speed of 2.3 GHz and a boost clock speed of 3.7 GHz. It comes with 8 GB RAM, DDR4 RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. It has a webcam and 2 microphones. This laptop has the speaker at the front, which are the B&O speakers. It has a very particular design with 3D kind of thing going on there. The sound quality is quite good. Overall, I like this laptop.